Hello viewer, it's a pen tool design we are taking there. I will create a clipping mask on that shape as well. So there I have taken a shape, change the color gradient, and there is a angle as well. So I will generate the clipping mask here. Add a paint on it. Let's make the new shapes. Use an eraser tool. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So there is a paint. We'll take a shape around it.